Okay, question number 1. Okay, consider the sets S 2, 4, 5, 7 and T is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Which of the following is true? Select whether to apply. Okay, now this sign, which is say like this, it means the complement of S in T. Okay, which means what the numbers which in T, set T, and doesn't exist in S. Okay, so let's see. Now, the complement of S in T is say 6, 8, 10. So let's see here. Now in S I have 2, 4, 5, 7. So 2 in S, there is 2 here. 4, it's 4, 5, 5, 7, 7. So the complement is the numbers 6, 8, 10. Okay, so that means this answer is correct. Okay, now the complement of S and T, it's 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 2 is there in S, so this is the wrong answer. Okay, the same thing, the complement of S and T, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. It's 2, 3 doesn't exist, so which is the wrong answer. And here is saying the complement of S and T is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2 is here in S and 5, so this is the wrong answer also. And here is saying the complement of S in T is 6, 8, 10. That means the numbers which exist in T and doesn't not in S. So which is 6, 8, 10. There is no 6, 8, 10 here. Question number 2. List the elements in the set W equal to W where W is an odd whole number less than 10. Okay, the odd numbers, it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so let's see here. Now, answer number 1, W will equal to 0 and 9. Okay, but there is some missing. 1, 3, 5, 7 is not there, and 0 is not an odd number, so this is the wrong answer. W equal to 1 and 9. Okay, there is a missing numbers here also. Okay, W will equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and these are the odd number, which is the right answer. And W equal to 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 0 is not an odd number, so this is the wrong answer. And W equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, 1 is missing here, so this is the wrong number. Answer. Question number 3. Consider the 3 sets given below. A, set A, it has 2, 4, 6, 8. B, 2, 5, 8, 10. And C, 6, 10, 14. Which of the following gives the set A intersect B union C? Okay, so to solve this question, first thing, we'll get the numbers of B union with C. Then the result of this union, we will intersect it with set A. So now, B union with C, it will contains, the set will be 2, 5, 8, 10, 6, 10 is already there, so 14. So this set coming from B union to C. Okay, now this set will make intersection with A. So A, it has 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, the intersection, 2 with 2. So that means the first number is 2. 5 is not in set A. 8 is there. 10 is not there. 6 is there. And 14 is not there. So this will be the answer. So the set will be 2, 6, 8. Question number 4. Consider the sets A, which contains 2, 4, 6, 7, and B, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9. Which of the following is true? Okay. Now, first answer, set A is not a subset of set B because set B doesn't contain 7. Okay. So A, it has 2, 4, 6, 7, and B, 2, 4, 6 is there, but 7 is not there. That means that the set A is not a subset of B, which is the right answer. Okay. Second answer, set A is not a subset of set B because set A contains 4. Okay. Set A has 4 and B has 4, so it can be a subset, but because the numbers in A is not all there, 7 is not there, so this is a wrong answer. Set A is a subset of set B because set B contains 2. Okay, I know there is set A, there is a 2, and set B, there is a 2 also, but to be a subset, A to be a subset of B, all the numbers inside set A has to be inside set B. Okay, so this is a wrong answer. Set A is a subset of set B because set A contains 7, which is wrong, because if it has to be subset, 2, 4, 6, 7 numbers has to be inside the set B. Set A is not a subset of set B because set B contains 9. Actually, no, because 7 is not in set B, so this is also a wrong answer. Question number 5. Given the sets S equal to 2, 4, 6, B, D equal to P, 2, B, 6, 8, and H, 2, 8, B. Okay. Which of the following statements are true? Okay. S union D union H will contains 2, 4, 6, B, 8. Okay, let's see the first thing. S union with D will have 2, 4, 6, B, and 2 is there, B is there, 6 is there, and 8. So this is for S union with D. Now, union with H, so 2 is here, 8 is there, B is there, so this will be the answer. So 2, 4, 6, B, 8. So this is the right answer. Now let's go for option 2. S union D, it's 2, 6, B. So the union will be 2, 4, 6, B, and 8. Here it's only 2, 6, B. This is the wrong answer. Okay, S union with D, it will be 2, 4, 6, B, and 8. Okay, this set will intersect with H. So it will be the intersect, that means the numbers in the same two sets. So it will be 2, 8, and B. Here it's only saying B and 2, which is the wrong answer. So the answer will be option number 1 only. Okay, question number 6. Given the sets A equal 2, 4, A, 7, 8, and B, 1, 2, 4, A, and C, 1, 2, 9, which of the following statements are true? Saying A intersect with B will have 2, 4, A. So let's see the intersect. So that means A, 2, and there is a 2 here. Okay, 4, 4, A, 7 and 8 is not there, so it will be 1, it will be 2, 4, A, 2, 4, A. This is the right answer. Let's see option number 2, A intersect with C. A intersect with C will be 2 only. Okay, see, there is no A in the C, so this is the wrong answer. Okay, A intersect with B, intersect with C. So A intersect with B as we said, it's 2, 4a, okay? And C intersect this set with C, so the only number is 2, and 2 is here, so this is the right answer. So the answer will be 1 and 3 only. Given m equal to x, which x is a multiple of 6, that is greater than 3 and less than 36. So we want to convert this to equation. So x is greater than 3 and less than 36. So the numbers of x has to be greater than 3 and less than 36. So we'll see the answers. First option, of course, is wrong because start with 0 and the numbers inside x must be greater than 3. For this one, the first number is 6, which is greater than 3, and the last number is 30, which is less than 36, and all these numbers are multiple of 6, so it's right answer. Third one, fourth one, start with the zeros, so wrong answer, wrong answers. And this one, start with 6, which is validate the first that it's greater than 3, but 36 inside the set, and here it's less than 36, that means 36 is not related to the numbers inside x, which is the wrong answer. Question number 3, it's a refer to the diagram above to answer the question. Which of the following elements belong to the intersection of W and M? Means W intersection with M. So let's see the diagram here. This is the M, okay? It contains some numbers, which is 4, 2, 12, 6, 8, 10. And I have also W here, which contains the number of 10, 12, 8, 6, 22, 20. So he wants the number belong to the intersection. So the intersection between M and W, this area, right? So that means the number inside this area is the elements belong to intersection of M and W. So it will be 6, 12, 8, 10. So 4 doesn't belong to the intersection. 12 is the right answer. 8 is the right answer. 22 is not in the intersection. 10 is the right answer, and 14 is not in the intersection. Question number 9. Given the set A equal to 1 to 13A, B equal to 1A, A13, and C 18A, which of the following statements are true? A union with B, A union with B. So let's make the union. So we mention all the numbers inside the two sets for the union. So it will be 1, 2, 13, A. Okay. Then here 1 is there, A is there, 8 is not here, 13 is there. So this will be the set for A union B, which is here the missing is 2 and 8, which is the wrong answer. Here A union B, we already get it. Union with C, it will be 1, 8A, so 1 is here, 8 is there, A is there, so this will be the answer to be 1, 2, 13, A8, which is the right answer. Now here, A union with B, this is the set. Intersect with C, so the intersection with C, that means it will be 1, 8, A. Here it's mentioned A and 1, missing is 8, so it will be the wrong answer. So the answer will be 2 only. Question number 10. The diagram below shows the values from 30 to 35 and set A, which contains all odd values in this range. Okay, the odd values of this range, it will be 31, 33, and 35. Okay? And the even number will be 30, 32, and 34. So let's add the missing values here. So inside the set A, it's odd numbers. So it will be 31, 35. So the missing is 33. And for the here outside, it's mentioned 32, 34, and the missing is 30. Okay. Question number 11. Refer to the diagram above. Drag and drop the correct option from the list menu to make each statement below. What we are seeing here, there is a set L, and inside the set L, there is the numbers 1 AC, and outside the set, we have B and 0. Okay, so let's see now. Here is saying A and L. What is the relation between A and L? That means A belong to L, to set L. So it will be belong. B is outside the set, so it will not belong to L. C is inside the set, so it will belong to L. 0 is outside the set, so it will not belong. It will not belong to L. And 1 inside the set, so it will belong to L. Given the set of even numbers B, it has set of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Drag and drop the correct option from the list menu to make each statement below true. Okay. Now this means subset belong and the subset is not belong. Okay, let's say here the first set is 2, 10, 12. 2, 10, 12. It contains in B. That means it's subset of B. That's right. 3, 4, 6. Okay, 3 is not here, but 4, 6 is here, but 3 is not in this set, so it doesn't belong to B. 4, 8, 11. 4, 8 is there, but 11 is not there. So that means this set is not a subset of B. And finally, the last one, which is 12, 8, 10, 2. This set, 12 is there, 8 is there, 10 is there, and 2 is there. That means this set is a subset of B. Okay, this is the subset, means a subset, and this is not a subset. Okay. Question number 13. Okay, consider the set A having this number 0, 4, 16 and B numbers 0, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17. Okay, highlight all numbers that belong to this symbol. This symbol means it's a complement of set in another. What does it mean? That means that he wants to know the numbers which not contains in the other set. For example, here I have 0, 4, 16. 0, 4, 16, it's here in set B also. 0, 4, 16. This symbol means he wants to know the other numbers inside this set, which is not belong to this set. Okay? That means this symbol. So let's see here. I have 0, 4, 16. That means 0 will not be with me, 4 will not be with me, 16 will not be with me. What other numbers? It's 3, 5, 15, 7. So it will be 3, 5, 15, 7. This is simple solution for it. Okay? Question number 14. Consider the set A contains 10, 16, 20, 30, and B 20, 40. Highlight all the numbers belong to A union with B. That means we mention all the numbers inside the two sets. So it will be 10, 16, 20, 30. This is for set A. For set B, 20 is there already, and 40. So this will be the numbers. So it will be here 10, 16, 20, 30, 40. Question number 15. Consider the set C contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and D 4, 5. Highlight all the numbers that belong to C union D. That means we mentioned that all the numbers inside set C and set D. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And in set D, 4 is we already mentioned it, so it will be 5. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say let Q equal, there is a set of numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and B equal to set of numbers 7, 9, 11. Which of the following is false? False, okay, not true. It's asking for false. Select all that apply. Okay, let's see the first answer. Okay, this symbol, it means that every, for every, okay? That means here for every x, list of numbers, okay? And this symbol is belong. This symbol is belong. Yeah, this number, this symbol is for every, yani all the numbers, and this symbol is belong. Okay, so here saying for every x belong to B, that means the numbers inside B is the x, okay? X belong to Q. That means these numbers of x which belong to B, which 7, 9, 11, will belong to Q also. So that means 7, 9, 11. Yeah, we have in Q 7, 9, 11. So this answer is true, not false. So I will not select it. Okay? Now, let's take the second answer. This symbol, opposite ear, like this, it means there exist. Yani that meaning that one number, two number, three numbers, all numbers exist. Okay, so let's see here. There is exist x belong to Q. That means there is some numbers here belong to Q. Okay, will belong to B. Will belong to me. Okay, let's say here I have 7, 9, 11 in Q, belong to Q, will exist in B, which is right answer also, but I cannot select it because it's asking for false. Let's see number 3. Some numbers of x belong to Q, okay, are not this E and not belong. This means not belong to B. Okay, in Q I have 1, 3, 5, it's not belong to B. Right, this is the right answer also, but choose, I'm asking for false. Now let's see number 3. All numbers of x belong to Q. This is all numbers belong to Q, okay, will belong to B. Okay, I have 7, 9, 11, it's belong to B also, 7, 9, 11, but 1, 3, 5 is not belong to B. So this is the right answer because it's false. Let's come to here. All numbers belong to B, 7, 9, 11, B is 7, 9, 11, will not belong to Q, will not belong to Q. No, 7, 9, 11 belong to Q also. There is 7, 9, 11, so this is the right answer because it's false. Here, there exist numbers belong to B. Okay, the numbers which belong to B, which is 7, 9, 11, doesn't belong to Q. I have 7, 9, 11, same including in 7, 9, 11 of Q. So that means this is the right answer because it's false also. Question number 17. Given A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and E 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, fill in the blank to complete the list of the complement of a set. So the complement of the set, here we are saying 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we'll get the numbers inside set A which not having these, which is not related to these numbers. So 1 is not in E, so this is the 1. 2 is there in set E. 3 is not there. 4 is there in set E. 5 is not there. 6 is in set E. 7 is not there. 8 is there, 9 is not there, 10 it's there in set E, so the answer will be 13569. So 13579. Consider the sets B having the number 3713, Q 57, and S 3715. Okay, part A. Pick all the numbers that belong to B union Q. That means I need the numbers inside B and Q. All the numbers. This is union, okay? So all the numbers are 3, 7, 13, 5, and 7. So I will take only one 7, so it will be 3, 7, 13, 5. 3, 5, 7, 13. Okay. Number B. Pick all the numbers that belong to B intersect with Q. That means I need the number which inside B and inside Q only, having the same number. So B here will be 3, 7, 13, and Q is 5 and 7. Which number is common here? Because I am asking for intersect, so it will be 7. So this one would include 7. Then he's asking here to union it with S. S, it has 3, 7, 15, and 7 also is here. That means I will pick all the set 3, 7, 15. So it will be 3, 7, 15. Union, that means pick all the numbers. Intersect, get the number in common, which are common. Okay. Now part C. Pick all the numbers that belong to P union Q, the set of P and the set of Q, which is 3, 7, 13, and 5. Okay, this is B union Q. Then intersect them with S. Intersect with S. Intersect with S, which is 3, 7, 15. 3, 7, 15. So the intersection between these two sets are 3 and 7. That's all. So the answer will be 3 and 7. Consider the sets A having these numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, B 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, and C 0, 2, 8, 10. Okay. Part A. Pick all the numbers that belong to A intersect with B. That means he needs the number which in A and B. So let's say 4, no, it's not here. 5 is not here. 6, yes, 6 and 6, that means I'll choose 6. 7, it's not going to be. 8, yeah, it's there, so we choose 8. 10 is also there, and 12 is also there, so and 10 and 12. So intersect. Okay, now here part B, pick all the numbers that belong to A intersect with B, then intersect with C. So now here I will get the numbers, a set of numbers of A intersect with B, which is 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, and I will, this set of numbers, which I already get it in part A, I will intersect with C. Sorry, intersect with C. So C, it's here, if we can find C here, is 0, 2, 8, 10. C is 0, 2, 8, 10. Okay, let's see which number is there. I have 6. No, it's not in C. 8 is in C, that means 8. And 10 also included in C, so it will be, this is the answer. Okay? Consider the sets A contains numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and B contains the number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, which the following is true. Select the 3 correct answer. That means there is 3 correct answer here. So let's see the answer number 1. As I told you here, this means that there exist X, which some numbers, belong to A. Okay. These numbers belong to B. Some numbers, not all the set, some numbers. This means they exist. Some numbers belong to A, belong to B. These numbers belong to B. So let's see. 0 don't belong to, no. 4, yes, it's including here. 6, no, it's 6. So this is the right answer because there exist some numbers. Okay, let's see the second answer. This symbol we mentioned before, it's all numbers belong to A. These numbers is a multiple of 2. That means it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So let's see here. 2, it's multiple of 2. 4 multiple of 2, 6 multiple of 2, 8 multiple of 2. That means this is the right answer. Now let's see this one. All numbers belong to B. Okay, all numbers belong to B. Okay, X is odd. Let's see. 4 is even, not odd. So directly, this is the wrong answer. Okay, let's see this one also. All numbers, X is a numbers, okay? All numbers belong to A. These numbers belong to B. 0 doesn't belong to B. That's directly is wrong answer. Okay, here. All numbers belong to B. All these numbers which belong to B is these numbers is a perfect square. That means a square. Okay, let's see. 4 square of 2, 9 square of 3, 16, 4, 25, 5, 36, 6. That means this is the right answer. Consider the sets A having some numbers 3, 6, 9, 12 and B 0, 3, 6, 9, 15, 18. Which of the following is true? Select all that apply. Okay, let's hear first answer. Set A, which these numbers, is not a subset of set B. That means the numbers of A is not including in B. Are not including in B. So let's see. 3 it includes 6 is there, 9 is there, 12 is not there. That means, of course, set A is not subset of B. Okay, second answer. Set A is not a subset of B. Okay, this is what we've selected true in the first answer because set B doesn't contain 12. Okay. Set A contains 12 here, but 12 is not here in B, which is the right answer. Now, set A is a subset of set B. No, it's not a subset. Okay, because every element of A is an element of B. No, 12 is not element of B, which is the wrong answer. Set A is a subset of B because set A contains the element 3, 6, 9. Yeah, I have 3, 6, 9. Okay. But still there is 12. It's not there. So it's not a subset. Set A is not a subset of set B. Okay. Because set A doesn't contain 0. No. A is not a subset of B because 12 also is not included in B. Set A is not a subset of B because set B contains the number 0, 15, 18. Does it mean anything? So that means the correct answer is set A and set the first answer and second answer. Question number 22. Part A, set A contains all the whole numbers less than 100 that are multiple to 8. That means you need a set. The numbers inside this set will be less than 100 and multiples of 8. So that means you will start seeing the numbers starting from 0 and multiple of 8s. Okay, so let's see here. It will be 0, 8, 16, and 96, which is the right answer. Here, 0, 8, 16, 80, but still there is 88, 96 is missing here, so this is the wrong answer. A is equal, set is equal to 8, 16, but he didn't mention 0, so it's wrong answer. Here is 88, still remaining one number, which is 96, which is the wrong answer. And here, missing the 0, so is the wrong answer also. Part B, set B contains all the whole numbers less than 150 that are multiple of 50. Okay, less than 150. Okay, a multiple of 50. So fill the blank. So B will start with 0, 50, 100. Okay? He didn't say here that these numbers greater than. He just keep it open. He just what he said is less than. So we will include 0. Okay?